Okay, once you have your individual profile set up, if you're part of a group, you're going to want to create an organizational profile. Without this organizational profile, you don't get to add personnel here. So there's a missing item here, and it's because the organization doesn't exist. If you are a user from an organization that already exists, there are two ways to get attached to it. One is the administrator can send you the token and you would add it here. Two is the administrator can create your profile, your skeleton profile on their side. You'll be sent an email for verification, and then you can log in and complete the profile on that side. So let's say this is drone analytics. You can spell the contact information, etc. Once again, light blue is mandatory, the rest is not. By selecting different roles here, you are going to get different screens across some of these on the mission planning side. Okay, so once I've saved the changes, this profile has now been created. Here's the token I was referring to. This can be sent to somebody to add them to the system, or you can now add them with the personnel button here that didn't exist before. Now that the organization profile exists, you can upload a logo that will populate the top of a PDF report. Just a standard logo. Best options are right here. And then you can add documentation for the organization. Test 1. Once again, give it an expiration date. I can choose a file, attach it, and now your documentation, it's got 22 days until expiration. So your organization is now complete and ready to be used, and you can now add additional personnel to the system by clicking on this button, going to org personnel, and then adding a person. Okay, or you can send them the token as we mentioned before.